Before you consider purchasing a Reginox product, it's good to know exactly who you are dealing with. Reginox UK is a wholly owned subsidiary of Reginox BV based in Holland. Our parent company is part of a sizable group of companies owned by the Ter Steger Group, with a history that goes back over 100 years. With its roots based in manufacturing, land and property development and many other affiliated industries, it allows us to specialise in what we do and excel in our fields. As a sink manufacturer, Reginox in Holland specialise in the production of stainless steel sinks. They are all made in our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant based in the Netherlands. We've been doing this for over 40 years, which gives us the confidence in saying to you, we really know what we are doing. Our factory has a capacity of around 1 million sinks per year, and with a constant improvement programme, we're always striving to be the best we can be today, and even better tomorrow. Reginox Holland exports all across the globe to over 50 countries, making us a truly specialist and established brand, a brand that you can trust. Reginox UK, as a subsidiary, has been situated in Cheshire for over 20 years. We have a UK base that includes a full UK sales administration team, logistics, large stocks, and a wealth of in-depth experience. Reginox UK also carries a wide range of different sinks and taps that are focused on the UK market and trends, providing a truly relevant offering. So, what a powerful combination we provide. The reassurance of dealing with a recognised and worldwide brand, combined with the local knowledge and support mechanism that having a dedicated UK operation brings. Buying from Reginox via one of our many partners means that you will be purchasing a high-quality product from a recognised brand with the reassurance of knowing that you have a full UK-based support team behind you.